Welcome, adventurers. Whether you've never set foot here or this park is your backyard hangout, get ready for about 15 minutes of fresh air, beautiful views, and the joyful energy only an outdoor adventure can bring. Today, we're headed out for a vibrant walk through Marcella Vivrette Smith Park in Brentwood, Tennessee, one of the area's hidden gems, bursting with scenic trails, soaring trees, and plenty of surprises around every bend. Let's start our journey through the park. As you can see, it starts off here with the gravel. And we will see, this is my first time here at this park, so you're coming along with me for the first time. And we will see what unfolds. Ooh. This definitely will make your calves and your thighs strong, walking on this type of gravel. I'm tired already and I just got started. My thighs are burning. And I'm not even really out of shape because I'm active. But this gravel here, it's a little workout. Listen to those birds. Insects. I'll shut up talking so you can hear. Hey. Excuse me. This is my first time at this park. What would you say a beginner, the red, the black, or the blue? Which one?
I'm not sure the trail colors, but they're not going to be bad. I mean, if you're walking, you'll be okay, but you can kind of go over this hump here.
Okay.
The first trail on the left, when you get to the back, that's the smallest hill. This is going to have kind of a moderate climb, and then go down. But go over this gravel trail.
Right here?
Right here.
Okay.
And once you get to the bottom, you'll see kind of like a set of stairs that go to the left.
Okay.
You go there, and then just follow that big loop and come back around.
Okay.
Now, if you get lost, you'll probably go over a hill. But I don't know the colors.
Okay.
But that'll get you on the flat.
All right, thanks. Thanks. Well, with this being my first time, I'm going to follow these. I'm just going to see where the trail takes me. Follow some of these walkers, hikers, until I get a feel of it for myself. Stay tuned. I have to get in some color, some flowers. Trail. found out that I am on the green trail. So the green trail, it's very rocky. It has a lot of tree branches and roots in the pathway. It's not necessarily an easy trail if you're not used to walking through gravel and rocks and stems and roots and branches. I don't know what the other trails are like because this is my first time here. But since I started on the green trail, I don't want to get lost. I'm going to stay on the green trail. And I guess the blue trail goes that way. And this is the green trail behind us. And we'll see what adventure, what journey is ahead. Okay, it's important to know that for you to stay on the right path and right trail and know where you're at, I'm on the green trail, so the number will be in green. SP is Smith Park. So I'm at Smith Park location 29 in case you need to call 911 or the park ranger. You can let them know your area. So it's important to pay attention to these markers in the park in case you need any type of medical attention or any type of assistance. Stairs. I'm gonna stay on the trail here. The rocks, the crevices, and the dips. I'm walking back to the car. I love the way these insects sound. They do offer some seating spaces periodically throughout the trail. Looks to be in a shaded area. I'm so glad today it's not in the 3 digits or in the 90s. I don't even think it's 80 degrees yet, and it's about a little after 8:30 a.m. here in Nashville. So the trail is okay so far. It's nice. It'll definitely give you a workout. So be prepared. And this is the green trail. Have a lot of open fields. You can see the hills in the background. Really beautiful. Tennessee is a gorgeous, gorgeous green state. As you can see, that's why I like taking nature walks. Because you'll see animals, you'll hear the sounds of insects, you'll see all the greenery, the hills, mountains in some areas, a lot of trees. It's just a beautiful place to walk outside. So what are my thoughts on the Smith Park Trail? I would give it, 1 out of 5, I would give it a 5. I definitely want to try the green, the black, and the blue trails. I was on the green, and gave me a little workout because of the gravel, the
wood and the roots in the pathways and the dips and the crevices. So it gave me a little workout, but it was cool. I would definitely come back. The red, the blue, and the black trails, they look totally different than the green trails from what I'm seeing, what I saw walking past. But I'd have to go on the trails to actually give you all a review, a good review, an actual review. But the place is peaceful. Like I said, the weather is nice. It's breezy. You'll have a few people hiking out here with you, so you won't be by yourself. It was definitely a scenic walk. I'm looking forward to trying out the other trails to see what I'll see. Hopefully I'll see some animals. I saw a rabbit, but I didn't get to catch it because it was so fast. Saw some birds, saw some insects, of course, but didn't see any snakes, any deer, any raccoons or possums or anything like that. Hopefully I'll get to see some animals on the next trip. And I'll bring you with me on my next journey, but this was a nice visit. I'm glad I did come to visit. So I'm going to get ready to leave, go home and shower, eat some fruit, do my infrared light therapy that I like to do after my walking, and just relax today on this Saturday.